In this tutorial, you will learn about the concatenate function in Excel. We'll concatenate two texts, a text with a number and a text with a result of a formula. Lastly, we'll do a creative example to show how to use concatenate, along with VLOOKUP and RAND between. The example will create a raffle draw to display a random winner of a contest. Concatenate is used to join strings together into one cell. For the first example, we will join the text in cell A1 with a space character, followed by the text in cell B1. In other words, we'll write "good morning" with a space in between the words "good" and "morning." When you write the formula, you add all the strings you want to concatenate with commas in between. For space, we will add it in quotes. That is how you explicitly define a string. If you have a number in a cell, Excel will turn that number into a string and add it to the other strings with the formula concatenate. You can even use a formula as one of the parameters. The result of the formula will be turned into a string and concatenated with the other strings. For the last example, we'll pick a winner from this list. To do that, we'll have to calculate a random number with the function RAND between. This function will result in a random number between the two parameters 1 and 6. We'll add this function as a lookup value into a VLOOKUP. That will provide a random name. We'll then concatenate the result of these two functions with the text "the winner is." The result is an automatic draw from a list of potential winners. Whenever you press F9, the formulas will recalculate and a new winner is picked. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification button to get notified when a new video is published on this channel. Thank you for watching.